So this is the final product. This is the CAD file with all of the parts in it. um, this is the bottom part of the blade, and as visible here, this is the top of the handle. This is the hollow cylindrical part. Inside are two ribs and every thing which will be inside, like the two like the small bottles, and the schematic for that, and there's a schematic for a band-aid, and one for the gauge bandage also. Like as seen here, this is the bottom part. This is the most complicated part. This is actually the screw thread. So this is it, and there are four threads like this. No, not four, three. Yes, three turns, so three threads, and similarly three on this side. So these and these are interconnect and provide the sufficient force holding this together. And this is the lid, which is obviously connected to this thing. The lid is connected to this parts, and this is connected to the body, and this is the bottom of the lid. So this is done using pad functions. You can see this is the bottom. Yes, this is it. And this is, and talking about the mesh, this is the STL mesh. So going on mesh design and viewing, drawing it in like wireframe. This is the mesh. So as can be seen, like this is the number of points and facets there are. So this very large amount of things. uh, there you can see that there are these which constitute the outer cylindrical parts. Also there are some lines visible over here which make the rib. The top wedge can also be seen, and the most complicated here obviously is the parts where the screws are engaged. This is the mesh, and when we process that, we get this G code file. So this is the G code file. uh, this is like 721 layers are there. This it will not be actually made using 3D printing techniques, probably because it is made with high carbon steel, which is not very suitable for 3D printing. But still we are showing it when we create the first prototype using plastics and things. We will use this 3D printing technique to make to create that. uh, this is everything require, and the video link will be there in the report. And also we have mentioned all of the specifics of this in the report itself.